Today I'm going to walk you through how to easily send photos on Telegram. Whether you want to share a cherished memory, a funny meme, or just send a quick pic to a friend, by the end of this tutorial you'll be able to confidently send images to anyone on Telegram with or without a caption. So let's get started and make sure you never miss a beat when sharing those moments. First things first, go ahead and open your Telegram app. On your phone, just tap the Telegram icon on desktop, find it in your apps, or launch it from your web browser. As soon as you're inside, choose the chat where you want to send your photo. Maybe it's a friend, a family member, or a group chat. I like to think of Telegram chats as little rooms, each one waiting for you to drop in and share something cool. Now at the bottom of the chat screen, you'll see the text field where you normally type your messages. Right next to that, there's a small attachment logo. It looks a bit like a paperclip. Go ahead and tap that paperclip. This is your gateway to all the things you can share besides text, and it's especially handy if you're someone who likes sending images, documents, or videos. Sometimes you might need to wait a second for your phone's gallery or your computer's file browser to pop up, but don't worry, that's totally normal. Once you click the attachment, you'll see various options: photos and videos, files, maybe even stickers depending on your device. For sending photos, pick photos or video. This tells Telegram exactly what kind of file you're planning to share, making it super straightforward. Now comes the fun part, selecting the photo you want to send. Browse through your gallery or image library and tap the photo that you want to share. If you're using your computer, it's the same idea. Click the image and then press open. You can pick more than one photo if you want to send several at a time, but for this example, let's just select one to keep things simple. Take a moment here to make sure it's the right image. It's easy to send the wrong picture if you're moving quickly, so don't worry about taking an extra second. Double-checking can save you from any embarrassing moments. Before you hit send, Telegram allows you to add a caption. Think of the caption as your chance to say something about the photo, maybe a comment, a joke, or just a bit of context. For example, if you're sending a sunset picture, you might write, "Check out tonight's view." Type anything you want in the caption box. You can also leave it blank if you prefer to let the image speak for itself. There's no pressure. Once you're happy with your photo and caption, look for the blue send button. It usually looks like a little paper airplane at the corner. Go ahead and tap that. Telegram will upload and send the photo right into your chat. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a moment, especially if the picture is high resolution. Just let it load and you'll see it pop up in the conversation soon. And that's it. You've successfully sent a photo on Telegram. Whether you're staying in touch with loved ones, sharing something in a group, or just sending a quick snapshot, you've got all the steps down. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own to share. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more easy tutorials like this. I've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.